Okay, everybody, buckle up. This one is going to take you a little bit of time, so stick with me till the end. It says find the measure of each angle in the triangle. So you can see that there's an x that we don't know. So I'm going to recommend that we start by solving for x if we can. Notice we have three arcs, 10x minus 18, 6x, and 7x plus 9. And those arcs, looks like those arcs add up to 360, wait a minute. This, oh, and we've got to include the 70 as well. Okay, so let's just add those all together. Well, that's pretty easy actually. 7 and 6 is 13 and 10, so that's going to be 23x, right? You see all that? So 23x, and then here we have negative 18 and positive 9. That's negative 9 plus the 70 that we have sitting here, and then that's all equal to 360. So you solve for x quickly, and then we'll get to the next step, all right? X is equal to, hopefully by now you have that done, x is equal to 13. All right, so that said, maybe we should just write down what each of these is equal to, you know? So 10 times 13 is 130. That would be 112, I think. Isn't that right? I think this would be, so this arc would equal 112. 6 times 13, 7 times 13. Let me think about this. 6 times 10 is 60. And then plus another 18 is 78. Okay. Whew, I hope this is all right. I think that's right. And then 7 times 13 is going to be, well, it'd be another 13 past whatever this was. So 78, 88, 91 plus 9, which is going to be 100. I think this one's 100. Okay, let's see. So 170. I feel like maybe I better check this to make sure that I've added everything correctly, because I'm not maybe on my A game right now. 112 plus 78 plus 70 plus 100. All of that should equal 360. Hey, it does. All right, so that's good. So now we have all of our arcs marked. I'm going to suggest that we figure out the measure of angle F first, maybe. You guys okay with that? Let's start with this. So do you see this intercepts this arc, this intercepts this arc, which means that if we could figure out what this arc measure is, we could cut that in half and know that that's equal to angle F. So let's do that. Angle F is equal to 70 plus 100 divided by 2. So there's 170 divided by 2, and I believe that that should equal 85 degrees, okay? You just write that in up here, 85 degrees. Okay, well, maybe we'll go to angle G next. What do you think? Let's go to angle G next. All right, so that is an exterior angle. You see how these lines, these tangent lines here, one of them is a secant line, one of them is a tangent line. And we can use the fact that that tangent and secant line are intersecting outside the circle. So we know that it's got to be all of this stuff, right? I think. So it's all of this stuff minus this little guy right here, okay? So for angle G, we've got 70 plus 112. So 70 plus 112, whoops, I'm jumping the gun here. 70 plus 112, so it's this whole thing minus this right here, okay? So that'd be minus 100, and then it's all of that divided by 2. So I think when you do all the math on that, I think you get 41 degrees. At least that's what I got. 41 degrees. So that means angle G is 41 degrees. Okay, well, now we can just use the triangle sum theorem, 85 plus 41, and then subtract that from 180. So I'll let you figure out angle E by yourself. I don't need to babysit you through that one. All right, well, you made it.